Our coverage live this morning in Pensacola. Our chief photographer Jason Garcia is driving the WKRG News 5 Weather Beast in Pensacola this morning. This is along 72nd Avenue in Pensacola heading towards Highway 98.
Now keep in mind some of this floodwater has receded, but you can still see covering the roadway there. Again, just off Highway 98, much of the area currently under a flash flood warning.
Talk about the rain that they've received, Caroline. 14, 15 inches in parts of Northwest Florida in a short period of time.
Our radar estimates rainfall totals, and I just had a 17.5-inch radar estimated rainfall total. That was just east of Haven, I believe, south of Highway 98. And so you're going to continue to see flooded roadways. It'll eventually recede, but then, of course, we've got another round moving in from the west right now.
We want to tell you too, the Escambia County Area Transit Bus Service has suspended operations until 7:30 this morning because of what you're seeing here in this live view of Pensacola. A lot of water on some roadways.
Some of their routes covered with water. They're waiting on some of that water to recede. And of course, Caroline reported just a second ago, we're not out of the woods yet. We've got more weather to look forward to today and through the weekend. Coming up, how many open